a strong heart, and you've been hustling for so long. Maybe life got heavy, but you kept moving and you kept strong. When the storm got rough, you held your line and didn't lose. Started from zero with nothing but discipline and truth. You built a strong heart, and you had a plan to rise again. 11 years of business, building teams of 900 men. Life insurance, Medicare, residential solar in the sun. Then commercial rooftops, another mountain climbed and won. Then the floor fell out, a partnership broke and left you bare. 7 figures monthly, gone like smoke in the open air. You could've walked away, but you don't quit when times get sore. You rebuild from nothing, stronger than you were before. You didn't chase the spotlight, you just focused on your craft. Stepped away from leading, said it's time to master me at last. And when that season ended, clarity came knocking on your door. It led you to the moment where you earned that golden door. So I remember when you were grinding through the doubt, head down steady, you knew what you were about. Years of lessons laying out before you, and faith felt warm wrapped around your shoulders. And I had a feeling you belong. I had a feeling you were someone. You built a fast life, but you slowed it down to find your way. Not chasing validation, just the man you choose to be today. No shortcuts, no ego trip, just grit and standards set real high. You said if excellence is calling, I'm the kind of man who'll reply. Consistency over chaos, character when no one sees, ethics in the pressure when most folks fall to their knees. You show this whole industry what resilience looks like in form. Not for the trophy on the mantle, but the pride of a life transformed. You showed that real success ain't about the title that they give. It's the man you build inside and the principles you choose to live. You made your own decision when the past said quit and shut the door. You said alright, I better end it, and it led straight to golden door. So I remember when you were driving through the fight, vision on fire, heart steady through the night. A future wide open laying out before you, and purpose felt strong wrapped around your shoulders. And I had a feeling you belong. I had a feeling you were someone. Now you build a new start, and you've outgrown the man you were. Not perfect, just consistent, a leader forged by how you serve. Let the whole world witness what humility is for. You didn't win by accident, Austin. You earned that golden thing. You earned that golden door. And I had a feeling you belonged. I had a feeling you were someone. You earned that golden door. Yeah, you earned that golden